In car audio, a whining noise that increases with acceleration is often referred to as alternator whine. This noise is usually caused by a ground loop or interference with the electrical system, specifically between the alternator and the car audio system. The whine is a high-pitched sound that typically follows the engine's RPMs, getting louder as you press the gas pedal. The most common cause of alternator whine is poor grounding in the audio system. If the components in the system are not grounded properly, electrical noise from the alternator can enter the audio signal. Running power wires too close to RCA cables or speaker wires can introduce interference, leading to alternator whine. Damaged or low-quality RCA cables can pick up noise from the vehicle's electrical system. A weak or faulty alternator may produce electrical noise that gets picked up by the car's audio system. To fix alternator whine, start by checking ground connections. Ensure all components are grounded to a clean, metal surface on the car's chassis. Use a multimeter to check for proper grounding. Relocate power and signal cables, keeping power wires separate from signal wires to minimize interference. Installing a ground loop isolator can help eliminate unwanted noise caused by ground loops. Use high-quality, shielded RCA cables and ensure proper installation of all components. Finally, installing an inline noise filter or a power capacitor can help smooth out the electrical noise from the alternator. Eliminating alternator whine will improve the overall sound quality of your car audio system and create a more enjoyable listening experience.